How's it going, everyone? Today I want to talk about this hybrid balanced tube amp, MT-604 from Xduoo. The 604 is fully balanced and it provides 2 watts into 32 ohms. Each channel comes with its own little volume knob, mainly to counter any channel imbalance that's common in the tube amp world. The marketing of it is that it's a Class A transistor amp with tube influences. So it comes with 6J1 tubes, and at stock it sounds practically like an Ascar 3. With the warm vocals that is maybe 1 or 2 steps ahead, and the bass is really full, and yeah, just literally the soundstage and everything is very similar. Now, when I bought this used, like all of my gear. This came with a slight channel imbalance, some noise on the left channel. It's like a static interference, like you're trying to fine tune your radio station type of thing. My first step in owning the amp was to find a way to get rid of the static, because there's no way I was going to keep it if it had the static. Now the static on the left channel, it's more pronounced when you have a closed back headphone on. Alright. So I plug these in, and the noise is slightly more pronounced. So then I'm trying to get rid of the noise before I can start tube rolling, because it sounded like interference. I first decided to just move away. The wireless mouse that goes away, so I moved it from there to there. And after that, it got a little better, so little hope there. And then I placed these little grommets, because they were placed on my deck like this for a while, for a week or two. And that got a little better. And finally one day when I was trying to replace the cables, I had it on the table like this, and the noise fully went away. Let's get to the tube rolling. So I already said they sound really similar to Ascar 3. So to me that was kind of like a disappointment. I wanted like a more tubey sound, and so I went with the GE Gen 64. So alright, so on Amazon of this, the MT-604 Amazon review, as well as other forums, everyone suggested to try the GE Gen 5654W, and so I bought some. I bought match pairs from AliExpress. They were pretty cheap. They were like $13.99 for each pair. So the first tubes I tried were the GE Gen 5654W. They're actually very similar to the stock 6J1 tubes. So I don't know why everyone's like, oh, you gotta change tubes, it's a night and day. It's not. It is literally the same thing. It's a little warm, the vocals is a little forward. The mids are a little sweet on both of them, so I literally don't know why G-Gen was suggested, because it was not a difference, at least on planars. Alright, so that was like a week or two. And then I did some research and I ordered some Mullards. Somebody suggested to me on Reddit was to read like this guy's comment from this hi-fi forum, and this guy seemed to describe like 6, 7, 8 different type of tubes or whatever, and it was really helpful. Okay, so reading that description, I went straight for the Mullards. And they're the Mullard 5654. And this was just magical. These actually sound tubey. And what that means is like it's sort of like a distorted sound. It's like the mid-range is super forward, but it's not shouty anyway. And the treble is slowed down like an old 30s song, like an old 30s jazz song. So it's like the treble slightly slowed down, and the bass takes a step back, but it's still full sounding. So it just sounds gorgeous, and it's very melodic, and it makes jazz just really pop. And yeah, that's my review of the MT-604. So far what I used them with is this dongle that I got from the headphone, along with the headphone rather, is this XLR to 4.4, and a lot of headphones come with 4.4, so I could just switch. Did you like the video you just watched? Well, there's some more to your left. And if you really liked it, give it a thumbs up. It will really support my channel. Thanks.